maybe I think we should always remember that things have not really changed, na may kakayahan pa tayo. At kahit na, di ba, madami tayong lifetimes eh. Iba tayo nung 20s, iba tayo nung nasa college of law, iba tayo nung aktivista tayo. And siguro, iba naman tayo kapag medyo 70s or 80s. And we will have our own roads. Pero ang sa akin lang, importante na, number one, we have good health. Walang aakay sa atin. Pangalawa, kasi kung minsan, masyado tayo nagiging dependent, di ba? Pangalawa, may konting financial independence. Pangatlo, we know our friends.
True.
Pang-apat, we develop our resilience emotionally. And hopefully, with the wisdom that we develop, kaya na natin mga crisis. And then, panghuli, dapat hindi lang, may routine tayo na normal.